Hey guys, Johnny Eric here again. Going to do a quick video of some of the different $10,000 capacity bricks that we make. This one and this one are both machine finish. Just some pretty funky stuff, and it's got light on it. Machine finish basically just means that whatever it looked like when it came off the machine, we just washed the coolant off, and this is what it looks like. So the purpose of this video isn't to show you the fancy designs. I just want to show a client the different styles that we make. So a couple things. These two are machine finished. They both hold the same exact amount of money. So for example, this one's quite a bit smaller. It holds 10K. Part of the money goes inside the recess of the lid on this one. That's why it's an overall smaller size. This one, this one, this one, the money all goes in the bottom. So this has a solid lid. And it has a $10,000. So this one says 100 notes, but it'll hold $10,000. Same thing. The difference between these two is this has rounded corners. This has square corners. These two are the same corners, but this has bolts that go on the top. This has bolts that go on the bottom. I'll show you that right now. So this one has feet on it and bolts that go on the bottom. That's what holds it together. This one holds money in the top and bottom, so it's the same height as this. These two are the same height. This one's just much, much wider. So this one holds 10,000 also. So like I said, I have a client who wants a $10,000 basic brick. Really what he needs to decide is, does he want the smaller one where the capacity, part of the money goes on the lid as well, or a solid one where all the money goes in the bottom, and then the top is just a solid piece, and then bolts on top or bolts on bottom, and then of course square corners or rounded corners. I'll just show you the difference in the weight of these real quick. So our most basic $10,000 capacity brick is this one. Comes in at 3.129 pounds, or I'm sorry, 3 pounds, almost 13 ounces. The wider one, which I'm not even sure if I can pick it up with one hand, we're going to find out. Hopefully I don't drop it. So that one comes in at 4 pounds 10 ounces. Then the one with the solid lid, bolt on bottom, comes in at 6 pounds 11 ounces. So let's just compare this to this. 6 pounds 11 ounces has the same exact capacity as this one, and that's 3 pounds. So basically this one's twice as heavy. Obviously this one weighs half, so it's really up to you. Let me know which one you like best. I'll be happy to make you whichever one you want. Or if you like this one, I have plenty of these in stock. I have a bunch of those in stock. I have several of these in stock, and if you want to fancy it up, we can of course design it, air finish it, whatever. Let me know. I appreciate you guys watching. Giveaways start very soon. Make sure you guys subscribe. In the next couple of days, we're going to be doing a giveaway of possibly a brick, or maybe a set of coasters, maybe a business card holder. Eventually, we're getting around to giving away really nice stuff like this. And of course, if we do coasters, we'll do a nice holder as well. These are our holders for the coasters. What else do we have here? This one's pretty cool over here. This holds cash in the bottom. This piece goes on top of that one, which holds coin. Then this is a candle holder, which goes on top of all of it. So it's 3 pieces. It's pretty cool. Who knows what we're going to give away? I appreciate you guys watching. I enjoy making the videos, and I enjoy making the stuff. Well, here's a sneak peek of some bricks that you guys have not seen yet. This one holds silver coins. That one's pretty sick. That's a sneak peek before I do full videos.